What needs to be corrected in this three-way switch junction box to meet NEC requirements? When replacing a three-way switch, you unscrew the switch, take it out and look into the junction box where you see a metal junction box with one metal, armored, 3-wire cable going into it, and the wires of this cable are connected to a three-way switch. The black wire connected to the black screw on the switch indicates that the switch is receiving power from a power source, or the hot wire is going to the electrical outlet. The red and white wires are connected to the other two screws on the switch, indicating that they are traveler wires. This type of wiring in this junction box indicates that it is a loop of three-way switch cable without a neutral wire. Is everything in this junction box NEC, National Electrical Code, compliant? This junction box does not meet the requirements of two NEC articles. The switch is not properly grounded. There is no connection between the junction box and the switch. Article 250.148b of the 2020 NEC states that removing an electrical device from its junction box must not interrupt the electrical continuity of the equipment grounding conductor. The traveler wire, white, which is no longer the neutral wire, of the three-way switch is not identified as a hot wire. Article 200.7c 1 of the 2020 NEC allows the white wire from a cable assembly to be used as a hot wire when it is identified as a hot wire and connected as a feed wire to a switch, but not as a hot return wire to an electrical outlet. To correct these NEC violations, remove the switch. Use black electrical tape or another means to identify the white, traveler, conductor as hot. Ground screw. A piece of wire for the ground wire that is the same diameter as the wires in the junction box. Install a pigtail wire of the same diameter as the circuit wires from the junction box to connect to the switch ground terminal. Install a new three-way switch. The junction box has been corrected and is now 2020 NEC compliant. If this video is helpful, please subscribe. Comments are welcome.